In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find edited photos on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, open up Photos app. On an iPhone, we are able to edit photos. To do that, tap Add Photo, then tap Add Edit, and after that we'll be able, let's say, to crop that picture in this way. To save the changes, I'm gonna tap Add Done, and now, as you can see, this photo is edited a bit. Now let me show you how we can easily find all the photos we edited. To do that, tap right here at three dots, then tap Add Filter, and then select Edited. That will show you all the photos you have edited, and then you can open up any photo, and let's say if you would like to continue editing that photo or you would like to revert it to original, you can get into edit mode again, and then you can apply some filters to it and do all this stuff, including reverting to original. To revert it, tap right here, then revert to original, and basically that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.